Good morning, friends. I am just getting 2 coffees packed up to go for my cousin and I. We both are working today. I'm working out of home today, so we are getting 2 to-go cups of coffee before I drop her off on my way to work. We've been using this maple pecan coffee. It is fantastic with the butter pecan creamer. So amazing, so super fall. If you don't like pumpkin, this is still like a really good option. But yeah, that is what we're doing at this moment. And I'll try to show you guys some of my day at work. It's a little difficult because of the work I do at the hospital, but I will try to show you guys everything I can. All right, so I got our coffees ready to go and we're gonna hit the road. Another thing I am doing today is I am taking down my 4th of July. I'm gonna pull out my fall, see what I have, see what I kind of want to get, like what I'm missing, if I want to like do, because I got another, I think I bought another tiered tray since I decorated last year. And I've moved like some furniture around out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this in boxes and try to pull out my fall today. I might just like be cleaning up today much, but I'll try to pull out my fall in this video for show. Alright, so for dinner tonight, I'm going to be making like a stir fry, just kind of season up some meat and put some teriyaki and some hoisin and a little bit of soy sauce in there with a bunch of veggies. Towards the end, I'm going to add the garlic, the asparagus, and the zucchini that I have chopped up. And then I've got the rice going in here. That's just with a little bit of vegetable stock. Don't mind my oven. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so this is the zucchini and asparagus I'm going to be using. I'm also going to throw in some baby spinach towards the end so that these are still kind of have a little bit of crisp tenderness to them and my garlic won't burn that way. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like all plated up. Alright, this is what's for dinner. Got a ton of veggies in there over some rice. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and eat this. Good morning, muffins. I am coming at you this morning making some coffee. No Starbucks today, like I tried to say to you guys. I'm trying. So like I said before, I wanted to put away my what do you call it? My 4th of July. That's right there. So I got that going, packed all that up, packed up all my Pride stuff from the dining room. I don't think you guys ever saw that, but I did something super cute. My friends have been getting me some Disney stuff, and if you guys are like Disney home decor lovers like me, I'm going to show you. Super cute. I painted this hutch. My friends and I painted it. It was not easy, but it turned out so good. Like literally like it was meant to be like this color the whole time. But yeah, look how pretty. I love it. Let me give you guys a better angle. So there you can see it probably much better now. Look how beautiful that is. I just love how it all came together. Super duper cute. It'll probably be moved for Halloween. I don't know if I have enough fall that I'll have to move it for fall, but we'll see. So just thought I would show you guys how cute. Finally put that together. Loving it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this coffee going. And I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, y'all. Come on. So little hack that I use. I make 8 cups of coffee. I use a tablespoon of coffee per cup, so I just put a half cup of ground coffee in there when it's not on the counter. So, because a quarter cup is 4 tablespoons, so that saves me quite a bit of time. But yeah, coffee's in there mostly, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my water in and brew some up. All right, so while that is brewing, I'm going to just drink some water, get that going. Super cute. I have a grocery haul to show you guys, but super cute Trader Joe's flowers. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I wish my hair was better than this. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna drink some water, start on some work, and just do it to it with my super fun Golden Girls shirt. Gotta love it. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. I will make some breakfast for you, actually cooking this time. And I'll show you guys what I eat in the morning. Exciting and fun. We're just gonna go hit a couple of stores up to see if there's any other fall decorations out that will be like super exciting and fun to add to this little collection of mine, and I'll show you guys what I have in these boxes. Here you have literally every like saying possible. I love you more than pumpkin anything. It doesn't make any sense, but it's cute because it's glittery. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. I don't know why this is like, oh, I just don't know why this is like, is it just to touch the cotton? I don't know, but it's cute. It's cute. Can't say I'm hating. Loving the fall sayings. These are super fun. Look at that. Pumpkins. Very cute. Love them. So this is cute. I like these like tag signs, but they never have what I want on them, so I haven't gotten one yet. Oh yes. They're a little menacing, but they're cute. No, they're cute for sure. Yeah. Oh my god, the gnomes, I can't. Okay, and we have a bunch of fall pillows. These are so pretty. And these ones are beaded. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty, pretty, pretty. And then over here is an extremely interesting situation. So it's literally like fall under the sea. And I am interested. I loved when they introduced like the turquoise colors in the fall and the blue, and I was totally into that, but I just can't commit enough to buy a bunch of blue stuff. But I can't deal with the $7 pumpkin, you guys. Loving it. I can't. Oh my gosh, and this is like, you guys, come on. This is awesome. For somebody who's super into like seafaring or like, you know, a beach cottage during the fall, this is awesome. So that's super cute. That sign down there, the trick or treat sign. I love this. It's in my nature because it's like rainbow and it's super shiny and fun. I love this. And there's another one, and I know they're super tacky, but I love them. Super cute. And the fur pumpkins. I am just living for all these like fun, different kind of pumpkin situations. See, I love this. Super fall. Very cute. What's that one say?
Hey boo.
Hey boo, super cute. Okay, but for those of you who don't know me very well, a literal aisle of blankets is like the best thing on earth. I literally can't. There's a moon one. I'm down. I'm done. It's just a face. Very cute. Simply blessed. But yeah, all these super fall colory blankets. I'm living. Ooh, look at all this like maroon purplish. I really do love that they are incorporating like more fall colors in because I'm like, I just love the color. It's so pretty. Love the beaded stuff. Oh. So I'm guessing I'll just kind of take you guys through these boxes. We can kind of unbox together. I gotta tell you guys, I'm not 100% sure exactly what I'm doing or where I'm putting everything. I already have my little tree up over there in the corner by the TV guy, so I am not 100% sure where everybody's gonna go. I also have the dining room to think about too, but I guess we're gonna go on that journey together. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna bring out to y'all is the Ray Dunn stuff that I have. I tried, y'all. I really did. I tried to resist the Ray Dunn charm, but she got to me. So I do have some fall stuff. It's nothing like too crazy. Just a lot of mugs that I low-key don't know what to do with. I just put them in like sheer trays and stuff like that. Like, hold on. Per example. So I have like little like autumn vibes ones, and I would just put that in here and then put like something cute sticking out of it. This is an apple, so obviously you guys know this is an apple. I'm sorry. I'm not very used to vlogging, but anyway, so I would put this like probably on the bottom or something and just kind of, I don't know, like mix it up. I think these are super cute to also be putting places. I have little like risers for these as well. Let me show you what I'm pointing at for these as well. And I have sometimes put them over here. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is the Ray Dunn stuff that I have. Just food coma, pumpkin patch, cozy, fall, autumn vibes, pumpkin loves, and morning pumpkin. And these will be sporadically put throughout with my tier trays and stuff like that. So that's usually what I use them for. Okay, so next up I have my like larger signs that wouldn't fit in the box, or like these two boxes. So I guess we'll start over here. I've got the welcome and blessed, and I know you're saying, Stephanie, they look exactly like, what's wrong with you? You have too much. Don't you have any control? The answers are yes, I know, but no, I don't. I just can't. Something like when I see seasonal decor, something just pops off and I have nothing. I see black and then I wake up and I'm at the register. But anyway, so super cute, love these. These I got when I had my first apartment, and I thought that I was gonna go with gold and white, and I just really thought myself a super like bougie individual, but I couldn't stick with it. So these kind of go usually like in a room or something like that, just for like decor purposes. Like probably gonna go in my cousin's room or something like that this year. We'll see. I gotta look around and see where I'm gonna put these babies this year. All right, and then I got this little hay rides this way. This usually hangs up probably like on my garage door, like the door going into the garage. Probably put that there. I've got these two little cuties that I usually put at like the base of my tree or something like that, so I'll have those around. Little fall guy here. And this is my mom's pumpkin. I'm obsessed with these little like super pretty beaded things. I know it's like probably not cool, but I love them. And then this is the sign I put on the door that says welcome, so super cute, and we love that. So then we're gonna go ahead now and get into the boxes. Okay, so I've made the decision I'm not gonna go through every single little thing because it's gonna take forever and you guys did not ask for a full-on decor video. This is like a day in the life, so sorry about that. But yeah, so I just wanna give you all an overview as well, my little pumpkin-y guys. I've got some Bath & Body Works like candle holders and some of these cutesy little sayings. This is one of my table runners that I have. I do have another mug that I have I don't know if you guys saw in my Christmas tour, I have like this one little section of my dining room where it's just like black and white, and so I did that with Christmas, and I think it's actually kind of fun to like challenge myself to decorate like just black and white in that little section. So I have this and I have this, so I will be looking for other like black and white fall decor this year. Other than that, I'm pretty stacked as far as fall decor goes. But yeah, so this is what's in this box. I've got a little bit more I'm gonna take out and show you guys. If y'all thought for 1 minute that I wasn't gonna lay out this beaded, beautiful table runner. Oh my god, I love it. So pretty and shiny. Just for the rest of the stuff that was in that box, I've got a wax warmer over there that lost the top. It was a full pumpkin, but we had a whoopsie and the top is gone now. I've got my more like realistic pumpkins here, this little bless this home sign, and then another tablecloth with little woodland cutesy creatures on it. Alright, so this box basically has a lot of like the cutesy little sayings, things in here, stuff that I've used to decorate those little spots in my TV wall unit thing, and also a lot of like my tier tray decor, so I will get that out for you guys next. Alright guys, and so this is all my little signs, just super cute stuff all over here, all that jazz. Of course, like I said before, just a quick run through. Another beaded runner. This was purchased during my golden white phase that lasted not long at all, but so cute. I definitely put it out and I make it more like fall-y. But yeah, there's, you know, just a kind of a mishmash of everything. Everything says pumpkin, autumn, fall, blah, blah, blah. These are my little tier tray signs. I'm remembering now that I did do like a little bit of a fall tour. So definitely look for that as well for what I did last year. But yeah, this is pretty much it. The rest of this is just gonna be like little scarecrows and like, again, just some pumpkins, stuff like that. And then this is all like my leaves and stuff like that that I put around my garlands and whatnot. So gotta leave you guys guessing about something, right? Another little tablecloth thing. So yeah, that's pretty much all my fall decor, and hopefully I can muster the energy to put it all up. Yay! Alright friends, speaking of energy, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right here up in all of my decorative mess. Love you guys, love doing these. Just letting you know, this is a collab with Taylor Elmore. We decided to do a day in the life together, so I'm super excited to see hers. Definitely go over, pop to her channel, and hit the like and subscribe button if you're not already, because she's awesome and I love her. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna be it for this, you guys. I hope you have a blessed and awesome week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!